It's time for Physics Friday, and today we have our wheel back, the same wheel we used the last couple of Fridays. This wheel is weighted. I want to do two things today, and one of which is, both of them have to do with angular momentum. And one of them describes why when you ride a bicycle, when you're moving, it's actually more stable when the bicycle wheel's spinning. It also describes why when you shoot a bullet and it's rifled, it spins, it causes the bullet to be more stable and go in one direction. Also, when you throw a football, everybody knows when you throw a spiral, it goes farther and straighter when you have spin in that direction. That all has to do with angular momentum. And what I want to show, I'm going to spin this wheel. First of all, I want to show you, this wheel is about 10 pounds. It's virtually impossible for me to grab it by the end. It's hard even to hold it. It's impossible for me with my strength to actually hold this up. However, if I spin this, the angular momentum of this wheel is going to want to stay in the same plane. And watch what happens. Spinning, and now I can hold it with my finger. So that wheel wants to stay. It's stable. It does not want to fall over. Now, one thing you might want to ask is, why do I have to walk around in circles? Now, I'm going to explain that. I'm going to spin it the other way. Now, when I spin this is actually a little more advanced. When the wheel's going this way, the angular momentum, let me see what's going to happen. Yeah, the angular momentum is actually coming this direction. Now, what happens, gravity causes this thing to rotate downward. When it rotates downward, it actually creates a momentum direction in that direction. So if you add that momentum to that angular momentum, the net angular momentum is in that direction. So if I spin it this way, I have to rotate. It wants to rotate toward the left. And that's why I have to go in a circle to keep it stable. There you have it.